Your pasta sticks together, cooks unevenly, and feels heavy. And the problem is not the pasta, it's the water. Most people use a small pot to save time, but this ruins everything. Restaurants always use more water, and there is a precise reason. When pasta cooks, it releases starch into the water. If the water is too little, that starch becomes too concentrated. This makes pasta sticky, heavy, and difficult to manage. In a small pot, pasta cannot move freely. It collides, sticks, and cooks unevenly from the very beginning. Restaurants use large pots with plenty of water. This keeps starch diluted and pasta separate and clean. Another problem is temperature drop. Too little water cools down quickly when pasta is added. This slows cooking and changes the entire texture. The pasta becomes soft outside but undercooked inside. Chefs avoid this by keeping water stable and boiling strong. They don't guess, they control volume and heat precisely. There is also a salt problem most people ignore. In little water, salt concentration becomes inconsistent. Some parts taste bland, others too salty. This destroys balance without you even noticing. At home, people try to fix everything after cooking, but the mistake already happened in the water. Restaurants fix it before pasta even starts cooking. That's why their pasta feels lighter and more consistent. Next time, use more water than you think you need. Give pasta space to cook properly. Do this once and you will feel the difference immediately.